Hello and welcome back to Insight. Today we are going to dive into a fundamental topic for anyone dealing with electronic or PC maintenance. How to check power supply voltage. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced tech enthusiast, understanding power supply voltage is crucial. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know. So let's get started. Before we begin checking power supply voltage, let's understand why it's so important. Your power supply provides the energy your devices need to function. Checking its voltage ensures your components receive the right amount of power, preventing potential issues. To get started, you will need a few essential tools. Here's what you will need: a digital multimeter, power supply unit, safety glasses and gloves for added protection. Safety first. Before you start, always disconnect the power supply from the wall to avoid electrical shock. Make sure you are working in a clean, well-lit area. And if you are not experienced with electronics, consider seeking help from a professional. Now, let's test the power supply voltage. Follow these steps. Set your multimeter to the DC voltage setting. Connect the black probe to the common port and the red probe to the volt, ohms, milliampere port. Plug your PSU into a power source, but don't turn it on just yet. Insert the black probe into a black wire on the 24-pin ATX connector. Insert the red probe into the yellow wire on the same connector. Now, you can turn on your PSU. After turning on your PSU, the multimeter should display the voltage on the screen. In this case, you should see around 12 volts for the 12-volt rail. If you are testing the 5-volt rail, use the red wire instead. Make sure the readings match your PSU specifications. And there you have it. You have learned how to check power supply voltage. Remember that this skill is essential for diagnosing and preventing power-related issues in your electronics and PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.